Fort Myers Beach Gulf Air Resort. For whatever reason, our reservation had us that we were a motorhome, and when we checked in, they're like, that's going to be tough to get your fifth wheel in there because we thought you were in a motorhome. Luckily, they were able to switch us with somebody coming in that is a motorhome, same exact dates, so it worked out good. Still a really tight spot. We're not able to open our back slide all the way, but other than that, I think it's going to be great. We're more excited about being this close to the beach. Campsite's not that big of a deal for us right here, so we're excited. All right, Fort Myers Beach. Last year, we didn't make it onto this beach. It's our first time as a family. This is nice sand.
I never got in sand before. This is so. Woo. Seashells!
There they go. Oh, you missed them.
Look at. It's gonna make a mess. But I'm gonna keep stuff.
All right, watch these guys. They might go again.
Wow! Wow!
That's a cool looking one.
See the crab again? I just jumped in front.
Oh, there you go.
Okay.
This is their volcano. With seaweed coming out of it. Of course I know.
Reagan, keep your eyes out. Here, you're gonna run? Impressive. Oh.
You're never doing that, right?
I'm trying to think of which way is easier.
How about this way? Let me show you how.
Let me stretch a little bit first.
Okay, let me dig it.
Never mind. All right, you ready? Oh my goodness.
Mommy should do it instead. Daddy.
Are you
I'm stuck, guys. Yay! Yay!
That was good.
That's all I got.
I'm quite impressed.
Wow!
Wow. That was really good.
Watch me! Watch me!
Ooh, there you go.
That is how it's done. I told you! I did it!
You did. How do you feel about me being in gymnastics?
I think you would be really, really great. Yeah.
Kind of a natural, and then you could do ballet with Reagan.
Yeah.
You're graceful. Ready? Whoa! Ready? Whoa! Ready? Woohoo! I didn't see. Look at these two. The cartwheel twins. Come look at this on the screen. It's really pronounced like daylight.
Yeah.
Nighttime.
Holy cow. That's crazy.
This is Southwest Florida International Airport. They have a spot where you can come park and watch the planes take off and land. Oh yeah, River, look. Watch this plane. He's landing. As far as I know, most airports don't have a designated viewing area, so this is really cool. Airplane. Oh, that is cool. I've never watched from this close before. All right, we are getting rained on. So if you're ever in the Fort Myers area, highly suggest coming to the airport observation area. It's definitely worth your time. Very cool.